Hi there everyone, it's Nana Teresa. Today I'm gonna be making a sweetbread. So I'm gonna start by putting the yeast in the water. Okay, and I'm gonna just give it a quick stir. So we leave this on the side and we'll start with the eggs. Now I'm gonna add the sugar. Just use the hand mixer just for a little bit, the oil. Okay, and just give it a quick mix. So we're done with the mixing here. Okay, so we're gonna add the yeast with the water here, and I'm gonna start adding the flour a little bit at a time.
Et songe bien, oui, songe combattant, que nel noir te regarde.
You can add a little vanilla if you want. You don't have to, this is optional. I like the smell of this vanilla here. It's not much in there, but it smells good. Smells really good. Grate some lemon zest.
Al concerto di tromboni, di bombardie di cannoni, che le corre tutti i cloni, all'orecchio fa fischiar, non più frai.
Okay. You can put orange peel instead of lemon if you like orange better. I do them with orange peel too sometimes. Okay, so this is done. And here I have some eggs. I'm gonna decorate some of the braids with this. We'll do some braids after. And you're gonna work the dough on the counter a little bit, you know, before you shape the buns. Okay, at this point now, I'm gonna put the dough on the counter and work in the flour. My counter is nice and clean, so I'm just gonna put some flour here and put everything on here, and we'll start working the dough.
Non più tra i farfalloni amoroso, notte e giorno di torno girano, delle belle turbane.
Nice, it's coming along good.
Ma ci sento a tuo giro d'amor, delle belle turbando il riposo.
Okay, we'll do this until it takes all the flour.
Non più avrai questi bei.
And then work the dough a little bit with two hands. Okay. Okay, until it comes nice and smooth. You can do this in a KitchenAid. I have a KitchenAid, but sometimes I like to do things like by hand. Okay, nearly done. So it's coming along good now. And you work the dough for about 5 minutes. We'll keep some flour on the counter here, just in case we need it. Okay, and the dough, it's good, like this, beautiful. Okay, so now I'm gonna start cutting some pieces, and like I said, keep some flour handy just in case you need it while you're, you know, making the shape of the buns, and we'll do some bread. And here I have some eggs. These are raw eggs. I just covered them with food coloring. Okay, they'll finish cooking in the oven. Start making the braids here. I'll do the braids first. Okay, like I said, you can, with your hands, some on your hands, some flour. It gets sticky. I'm gonna do them now you know, like shape them. And they're gonna rise for 1 hour. They're gonna double the size. And then I'm gonna put some egg wash on top. And we'll bake them. So just if it gets sticky, just put a little flour on your hands. Okay. Okay, put the one here. Like that. And I'll do the other one. So, like that. Just touch, pinch the ends here, and we'll just go like that, that, and pinch them here, and just pinch them here again, and well, just put it here. Okay, do the other one. So they're not really hard to do. Okay, so let's do the pinch there. Okay, there, just go like that. And again, pinch them there. Make sure it's nice and tight. Okay, and then we'll put a nice egg inside once it rises. Okay, now I'm gonna do different one. Okay, you can do any shape you want, you know. Okay. Okay, another one like that. Just go like that, like you're making a knot. There you go. See? And they're gonna rise double the size. Okay, now I'm gonna show you how I'll do with this one here. Okay, we'll shape this different. This one, and like I said, you can do any way you want. So make sure you make a nice long row if you want to make it the way I'm making it now. Okay, so now I'm just going to go like that, and we're just going to make it like this, because here we'll put an egg after, you know, when it rises. Okay, and we'll put it to rise, and I'm gonna cover them with summer wrap, and they will rise, and I will show you when I put them in the oven. See, just cover them. Okay. And I like to put them in, you know, in the oven, because I have a light in there and they rise quicker. Okay, so I will show you later what they look like. Okay, they're ready. They're risen nicely. So now I'm gonna put an egg wash on top and some sprinkles and maybe sesame seed, and I'll put the egg. Okay, so
Hello, I'm Carter. Hello, hello. Toreador, on garde. Toreador, Toreador.
okay, let's see. Let's do this one. Okay, and I'll put some sesame seeds first. Okay, okay. Put this one. And here I'll put the other one. Okay, we'll put some, I'll put some sesame seeds there and some of this sprinkles. Just a little bit, so to make it look like Easter. Okay, now I'll do this braid here.
Per montagne, per valloni, con le nevi e salioni, al concerto di tromboni, di bombardie di cannoni, che le porre tutti i tuoni all'orecchio fan fischiar. Non più avrai quei pennacchini, non più avrai quel cappello, non più avrai.
Okay, I'm gonna put this in the oven. As you can see, they look nice. Okay, so they'll go right now. Okay, and I'm gonna finish this and I'll show you when they come out of the oven. Okay, the bread it's done. It's been cooling off, still a little bit warm. Looks nice. I'm just gonna open one. Beautiful. Smells so good. I'm gonna eat this one later. Put it there for now and I'll show you what it looks like. Nice. Beautiful. Beautiful. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to subscribe. Until next time. Ciao for now.